I am Vilas Rahatkar, belonging to Aurangabad, Sambhajinagar, Maharashtra. My age is around 72. That was a major hurdle for me with hypertension for last 20 years. I had a knee problem in both the legs, but my left leg was more acutely giving trouble. So I asked my son, who is in Lingampalli and working in TCS, he inquired here and he got the name of Dr. Sharath Babu N, and under his guidance we carried out knee replacement surgery. It was very good. I had a good experience of the hospital staff also. I am grateful to them that they have given a new lease in my life. But Sharath Babu gave me full confidence that nothing of age as well as your BP will have any impact on operation. You can carry out the operation. The operation was carried out. It was carried out in a smooth manner. Local anesthesia was there, so I could listen them talking. Everything was going at ease. There was no stress on the people when they speak. And then next day they started physiotherapy. Those people came to me morning as well as evening. They gave few exercises. They went up back with me. They gave me very good guidance how to do, what to do, where to do. And I am really grateful to them. I can sincerely say to my fellow persons, those who are aging in my group and have a knee problem or any joint problem, they should contact the doctors, and the total knee replacement is available and it is in the reach of the people to have a better life in the rest of his career. I must at the last thank to Care Hospital staff as well as orthopedics department people, specifically Sharath Babu and physiotherapy staff. I all the time request best luck to them.